Ha carwch ga ianw idd carachina sy'n ylandw, a chai illegal fach yn corydd dachiad blianau. Chroi a chysisw o'r sian triblianau ys y chlygau clyfichal nyr a chai illegal na myngydd yn lagi. Han turus y doch ys gyda dachge idd y togal a sŵr, mae'r fart dy ffrwsiaid gys yn clyg i ianw tlachfyd wydd ile. Han adys sy ag illigrawnd.
Harish en fichit bliwn am yerig, ha urus chillevichel vi goper gus sir holoch gus eklish chillevichel hordarash go ire. Is jay gaven hokoloch sketoch gasur, jaun dat go vi goper niljekin, eis na carachine is a chlug.
What you're seeing behind me here are two memorials, both of which were ruined. They were pushed over, in fact, because, unfortunately, the big granite memorial there commemorates Sir Hugh Fraser of Braelangwell, who was a very good proprietor, but he got on the wrong side of the parishioners here because he was very much anti the Free Church movement when it started in 1843.
Chai yn carachine y hogal yn y neu ciad GX daichyd, a chai y lygal giroch 3 bliwne y station.
Hai fi'n a laie o nŵrsyn, gys yn dahosich urys chilvichel y carach.
We took advice here from conservationists and they said, get the weight off those marble panels, so we put in a solid concrete core and the panels really are just resting on the outside. These giant ones here then go up on top of it like that, and the one with inscription is actually down here. And you can see it's in very, very poor condition. It's badly eroded. The bottom was knocked off altogether, and as a result, all this has started to erode.
Gan je oper first, nio sir a hreviaun gaif, a cha fwyn janaviach gyfel a cwtramach yn jys duachas na skire y galeal.
So it's a real tragic story, and we've always wanted, in particular, to restore Helen Flora's memorial, because it was a shame to see the wee pile of marble panels just sitting there in the grass with the corners knocked off them. This is people's local heritage. We are a community group, and every single person who works here has got a connection to the kirkyard here.
Has er yn hwafas I ianu isio, agos a hwdda codda sawn gyn cael madoru gys yn by'n clywch fat an yn ordw. Eili Ground, BBC yn la.